Very good morning, students. This is Dr. Prem Kumar, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, G.P.CET College of Engineering and Technology. In today's class, let us have a discussion on chatbots. The agenda of today's discussion is what is it, since when it is around, how does it work, how do you test it, can it answer all my questions, can I make on my own, where can I put it in the web. This is the agenda. This is what we are going to discuss in today's class. Dear students, the topic is chatbots. And coming to the chatbots, you can observe your mobile phones or your system on internet. Suppose there are some websites where if I give a message, immediately I will get a reply message. The reply message is not given by the human being, it is given by a robot. A small program which is replying to your questions is nothing but it is a chatbot. It is a bot. It is extracted from robot. From robot is nothing but it is totally a mechanical in nature. Mechanical, electronics and computer science put together, it is called as a robot. Only software which is able to answer your question is nothing but it is a chatbot. Robot, chatbot. Now it is called as a chatbot. You will be observing this in the systems on the internet as well as in your mobile phones. For certain sites, you will be giving your message, you will be typing, you will be typing the message manually, you will be typing the message. Immediately you will be getting the answer. This answer you are getting spontaneously, immediately you are getting the answer from a small program, a software program which is called bot, which is called as a chatbot. You are chatting, in fact you are chatting with the bots, that is called chatbot. A software program which is able to answer your questions is nothing but it is a chatbot. The chatbot is a computer program that can talk to the users. It can even talk to the users, it can chat to the users. It can give a text message or sometimes it can give the voice message. Many a times we will be observing various sites. I'll give a message, immediately you will get a reply message. It is not done by the human being, it is done by a small program which is called as a chatbot program. The chatbots simulate the conversation. They just simulate as though the human beings are talking to you. But in fact it is not human being, it is a bot, a small program which is taking your questions and it is responding to you. It just simulates as the human beings do, which is called as a chatbots. Some chatbot software recognizes the internet of users, intent of users. They recognize the intent of users' messages and often predefined it replies. The intention of the users is being identified by the chatbot and accordingly it responds, which is called as a chatbot. It makes use of AIML, that stands for Artificial Intelligence Markup Language. It can replace the humans. The human beings need not be there to answer the questions. It just replaces the human. For the monotonous jobs, there will be certain jobs which are regular questions. The frequently asked questions will be there. For the frequently asked questions, the answer is common. For such questions, the answers are predefined and the chatbots will be responding for that answers. The concept of chatbots was started by Joseph Isbn. And the first chatbot is being named as Eliza. This is the very first chatbot which is called as an Eliza, which was developed by Mr. Joseph in 1980s, 1990s, in between 1990s. He made use of knowledge representation concepts, pattern recognition concepts and substitution keywords. Using these three concepts, Mr. Joseph designed a chatbot called Eliza. The Eliza is able to answer the users based on the past experiences. It remembers the past experiences, what are the questions asked and what is the answer it responded. It remembers all the previous questions and answers, and accordingly if a new question comes, it molds itself as per the past experiences and gives the answer. Means a learning process of the chatbot takes place and finally it comes out with the correct answer for the question imposed. This is the Eliza which was developed 20 years back. In chatbots, you are having three types. One is a text based. You type, immediately you will get an answer. You type, you get an answer. You type, you get the answer in the form of a text. That is nothing but a text bot. We call it as a text bot. Similarly, you are having a voice bot. Coming to these voice bots, you ask, immediately it gives a voice response. In voice it answers. As we human beings, we talk each other. Similarly, here also, when you talk, it gives a response. When you talk, it gives a voice response. This is voice bot. You got text bots, you got voice bots, you got video bots. Here there is an animated, this is not a real person, it is an animated person, totally graphics, animated person. When you are talking, making your webcam on, this person also talks and he will be answering your questions. This is, in fact, it is a graphical image. It is not a original person sitting there, it is a graphical image. When you impose a question, the chatbot will analyze and gives the answer with the voice of this legendary personality. You feel that you are really talking to the person. It is not a person, it is a graphical animated image. You will be getting the answers. This is a video bot, and hence you are having 1 text bot, 2 voice bot, and 3 video bots. 3 types of bots are there. Text bot, just we go through the text bot. An example, the first step, the chatbot is the first message and offers assistance. Whenever you enter into a particular site, it is saying, hi, welcome, what can I do for you? This is the message you are getting from the chatbot. Now the customer is giving a question, can you check the status of my order? The customer might have placed an order for a company for some products. The customer is asking the question, can you check the status of my order? The chatbot is sure, type your email ID and order ID. It is asking, type your email ID or order ID. I will give the details. Now the customer is going to type the order ID. Let me say his order is 230442. Let me say his order number is 23042. When you type his order, immediately the chatbot will verify the database and gives the status of the order. The order is dispatched, or it is in transit, it is shipped, or you need to wait for 3 more days. It gives a response. This is a text bot. It gives the responses in the form of a text. Similarly, you are having a voice bot. You ask the question, it will give the voice reply. Ask the question, you will get the voice reply. Voice bot, video bot. As I told you previously, you will get an animated image with which you can get the answer. You can chat with the person directly. That is a video bot. There are different types of chatbots, basic types of chatbots. I am going to project some different types of chatbots, which are the basic types of chatbots or voice chatbots. As I told you previously, directly if you take the Alexa, there is a chatbot Alexa, something like this or this, Alexa. There is a chatbot called Siri. This is a chatbot, and of course it is in the form of a unit, it is in the form of a product. Most of the chatbots are in the mobile phones, in the software module, or the chatbots are in the websites, are incorporated or embedded in the website. And some of the chatbots are specifically, the programs are designed and they are placed in some devices. Let me say this is a Siri and this is Alexa. If you ask the question, immediately this will be answering. If you ask a question, what is the temperature now? Climatic temperature, it will answer. Play music of A.R. Rahman, it will play the music of A.R. Rahman. If you ask a question, who is the Prime Minister of India? It will answer. So anything you ask, it will answer in the voice. That is nothing but voice bots. You are interested to know about some technical topic. You want to know about artificial intelligence, technical topic. You please talk about artificial intelligence. If you impose a question, immediately this will talk about the artificial intelligence topic. These are nothing but these are the voice bots in the product form. Most of the chatbots are in the form of a software which is embedded in your mobile phones. You need to download from the mobile phones, and some of the chatbots are in the mobile phone, in the product form. There are customer services chatbots. Customer services chatbots. You are having a big mall. You want to give the service to the customers, online service to the customers. You need not recruit employees. You can just put a bot. If that number is registered in your mobile phone, you can chat with that. I want to purchase so and so product. Do you have stock? Immediately chatbot, the software product, the software it itself will check the database and it will say the stock is available, you are most welcome, purchase. If you ask about certain product price, it will say the price is so and so. If you are talking about the product quality or the quantity, it will say it is available in the 200 grams, 500 grams and 1 kg packet. Customer services, the chatbots, it just replaces the human. A human need not sit and type. That is being replaced by the chatbots. Those we call it as a customer service bots. You are having a lead generation chatbots. Coming to the lead generation chatbots, they will collect all the phone numbers, email IDs and other details and they will provide you. I am interested to know the phone number of X person. If I ask a chatbot what is the phone number of X person, it immediately checks the telephone directory and gives you phone number, a chatbot. Similarly, if you want to purchase some products, in order to have a discount, it will collect your phone number, your email ID. I want to purchase some garments. It says if you give your email ID and phone number, you will get a discount of 10%. This is a chatbot which is collecting your information, your phone number, your email ID, your WhatsApp number and others, and it is providing to the higher authorities so that they can do better business by communicating to you. We call them as a lead generation chatbots. Voice chatbots, customer service chatbots, lead generation chatbots. Similarly, you are having social media bots. In Facebook, I want to post some messages. I want to post the same message for multiple people. Instead of you posting the messages, if you activate a bot saying this is the message to be posted, immediately the bot will take care of posting the message to the multiple people. The social media communication can be done effectively with the help of bots. It responds to the messages. Companion bots. This is very popular. It is a companion bot. You don't have friends. You want to have friends, you want to express your problems and you want to get a reply, a soothing replies you require. In such cases, you can go with the companion bots. The companion bots, generally they are video bots. You can directly talk to them as you are talking to a human being. You can directly talk to the video bots and they will console you, they will respond to you, and sometimes they may give some solution to your problems. We call it as a companion bots. They are like virtual boyfriends and girlfriends. We call them as a companion bots. FAQ chatbots. For many companies, there are frequently asked questions. When I purchase a product, there may be some damages, there may be some problems. There will be some frequently asked questions, FAQs. So, in order to answer the FAQs, recursive answers, the same questions and the same answers, then you need not employ a human being, a person. You can directly go with the chatbots. The chatbots, they will respond to the questions. This is, we call it as the FAQ chatbots, frequently asked question chatbots. So these are all the various types of chatbots which are popular in the society. Why should I use chatbots? What are the benefits? Do I get any benefits? The benefits of using the chatbots. One is faster replies. Because it is a software program. When I ask the question, the software program immediately responds and gives the reply. We human beings, we may be engaged in some other works. Of course, we reply after some time. But spontaneous reply, immediate reply, you can expect from the chatbots. That is a faster replies. That is a major advantage of the chatbot. The second advantage, it is 24/7. So 365 days, 24/7, it will be working. It is not a human to take rest. It is only a software program which will take your question. It is being analyzed and it responds to you. It is 24/7 support. You can have a better user experience. About 40% of the customer prefer to work with a digital AI assistants rather than human being. They follow good manners. They follow good timing. They follow good accent. They follow the good grammatical speeches and sentence formations. And the users love to work with such chatbots rather than human beings. And also remember, there are the chatbots which works with NLP, natural language processing. Sometimes I'll feel like talking in Telugu. It responds in Telugu. Sometimes I speak in Hindi. It responds in Hindi. So this process goes on. There is a NLP facility, natural language processing facility is there. So that the user will get a better experience, that is a user experience. More customer interactions. So there might be n number of customers connecting and the chatbot will answer the n number of customers, which may not be possible manually. If rush is more, I go with the second inquiry, third inquiry, fourth inquiry. It is being handled by different anchors or different receptionists. You need to employ different receptionists then to answer n number of questions imposed by n number of customers. Many integrations with messaging apps. The chatbots offer multiple channel customer service and cooperate on several messaging platforms simultaneously. So different users will be communicating to different media from different channels. Different users will be asking questions. All the questions are being answered by the chatbots. Conversation templates. Many digital assistants and the chatbot applications include the libraries of the chatbot templates for e-commerce, real estates and many other industries. The questions from the customers come in the different forms. Some may be asking questions related to real estates. Some may be asking questions on the medical, health. Some may be asking questions on e-commerce. Some may be asking questions on industries. The human being remembering all these and giving is impossible. But coming to the chatbot, on any context if you ask, it will answer because it is a predefined a software program. The software program will analyze the questions and it responds accordingly. Great return on investment. Instead of employing the human beings, instead of employing the receptionists, instead of employing the caller answers, if you develop a chatbot, you can save. You need not pay any salary. It is not a human being. It is a software program which is being deployed, which is answering to your questions. And hence, there is a great return on investment. Even for the development of chatbots, the cost is very minimal cost. If you deploy the chatbot in your website, anyone sees the website, they need not search. If they ask the chatbot will be answering. Through voice, through video, through text, it will be answering the questions. And hence, it just acts like a human being which is answering your questions. Sometimes using chatbots is the best way to deal with angry customers. There will be certain customers who will be firing. If there is anything delay happens from our side, from the company side, they will give a phone call and they will be shouting. Instead of answering such an angry customers, if you put a chatbot, it will politely answer, "Sorry sir for delay. It will be delayed. It will be delivered in a span of 24 hours. So it is best suited to answer the questions of angry customers. How these chatbots are developed. The chatbot program, it internally contains 3 modules. One is called AIML, Artificial Intelligence Markup Language Object, Artificial Intelligence Markup Language Interpreter, and you will be having a responder. The end user, that is we people, will be asking a question. The question is being taken by responder. The responder, it responds to the end user. This is the layer which will be responding to the end users. Question and responder responsibility is to give the answer. Question and answer. That is being given by the responder. The responder takes the question and it submits to AIML interpreter. The interpreter, the name itself says it is an interpreter. It interprets the question. What question he is asking? What is the context? What is the topic? What is the subject? Everything is analyzed by the interpreter. Now, depending upon the interpretations, it invokes the respective AIML objects. There are different objects. If my question is on product 1, it invokes the AIML object 1. If my question is on product 2, whatever may be the product 2, it invokes the AIML object 2. If my question is on product 3, it invokes the AIML object of 3. Accordingly, you will be getting the answer. Accordingly. So the answer is taken by the interpreter, it hands off to the responder, and responder gives the reply to the end user. This is the architecture of a chatbot. Dear students, once you study the architecture, breaking a chatbot, hackers, sometimes what they do is, they will be doing all unwanted things. The chatbot will be answering your questions well. Suppose you are working with some supermarket, some XYZ supermarket. So they arranged a chatbot. You are asking the question, it is answering. So and so product is available or not. That is giving an answer, yeah, product is available. There is stock. You can come and pick up the product. This is the answer given by the chatbot. Opponents who want to hamper the business, they will hack the site, they will hack the chatbots, and they see that it gives a negative reply. Is so and so product is available? No, it is not available. When the stock comes, it will not come. No stock. So the hackers now what they are trying to do is they want to hack these chatbots and give a wrong responses and wrong replies. Even the danger is there with hackers. So you need to make use of all the security systems alert. You need to make use of all antivirus programs. Firewalls are to be installed in order to make use of your chatbot work well. That is called as a breaking a chat box. So it is like making the Alexa talk dirty. When I am talking to the Alexa, it should answer my questions. Sometimes it gives something wrong, nonsense, rubbish it will be talking. How does it respond? In general, it looks for the certain pattern of words. Suppose I am talking about flowers. The chatbot will identify the word flowers. It will raise a question. It will give you a question. Which flowers? You want rose or lily? Suppose if I want rose. If I say immediately the rose, you want yellow rose or white rose or red rose. So it goes to the classifications based on the words. It will be questioning you and finally it will answer you. So the pattern of the words makes a vital role in judging the question. What is the question and what you are asking? And this judgment is being done by the modules of AI, ML, artificial intelligence markup language. In order to work with these chatbot programs, you need to have the knowledge of natural language processing, NLP, natural language processing. I want to speak in Telugu and the chatbot should give the answer in Telugu. I want to speak in Hindi, I want the answer in Hindi. Then you need to incorporate, apart from the artificial intelligence, machine learning and AI, ML, artificial intelligence markup language, you require NLP. And also nowadays we are making use of advanced machine learning algorithms and huge amount of user conversation data to train the artificial intelligence. So AI chatbots are being trained with the different questions and how to answer. For which question, what is the right answer? The training programs are being conducted for the chatbots. They are called as a supervised machine learning algorithms. Using supervised machine learning algorithms, they train the program with the different questions and how to answer, and that is being deployed into the systems. Whenever the user asks a new question, it checks all the old questions with its artificial intelligence modules and gives the proper answer. That is, advanced machine learning concepts are being incorporated. Artificial intelligence chatbots, you are having a menu based chatbots. If I select one option, it gives, for example, if I am selecting engineering colleges, it shows the list of engineering colleges. Suppose if I select one engineering college, then immediately the different branches under the engineering colleges are being projected. If I select a branch of an engineering college, it shows what are the subjects available in that particular branch. If I select the subject, it shows the topics available in that subject. If I select the topics of that, it shows the important questions or the important big questions which are asked in the GATE examination and other examination. So this sort of menu driven chatbots, this sort of giving you the solution with the help of menus and submenus is called as a menu based chatbots. There are something like a keyword chatbots. Coming to the keyword chatbots, you need to give the keyword. If I say B.Tech Computer Science, based on the B.Tech Computer Science, it extracts the complete information from the database and it displays on the monitor. B.Tech Computer Science, so and so courses are available, so and so subjects are available, and it gives the complete details. These are called as the keyword based chatbots. And of course, you are having the third one, the contextual based chatbots. Based on the situation, that is the context, based on situationally, it will be answering the questions. This is called as a contextual based chatbots. So the general tendency of the chatbots are menu based chatbots, keyword based chatbots, and the contextual based chatbots. These are the different types of chatbots available. If at all I want to develop a chatbot, the present you are having a chatbot called as a TDO. So there is a framework which is called the TDO framework with which you can construct your own chatbots. It is free and it is easy to construct the chatbot. It is the most popular to develop the chatbots on your own. You can try this TDO chatbot at your leisure time once you try what is the chatbot and how to go with the TDO chatbot. Is our chatbot is working well or not? What is the factor to measure the success of chatbot? I deployed a chatbot in my website. I attached a chatbot to my website. Whether the chatbot is used by the end users or not, how to know? Through number of clicks. How many clicks I got for that particular chatbot, how many members, end users clicked my chatbot, utilized the services. By counting number of clicks, you can come to a conclusion the chatbot's performance, whether it is working well or not. Similarly, you are having a concept of dialogue trees and its nodes, visit of nodes. Also, you can come to conclusion that the chatbot performance is well or not, or the successful chatbot or not. There is a performance analysis. With the help of performance analysis also, you can conclude whether your chatbot is functioning well or not. So these are the different ways to check whether your chatbots are used properly by the end users or not, whether your chatbot is a successful chatbot or not. What is the cost of development? I want to develop a chatbot. What does the cost? If you are a technical student, you can develop on your own. At zero cost, you can develop if you are a technical student. By probing some study into that, you can develop a chatbot on your own. First point. Always prohibit developing chatbot right from its scrap. Sometimes we feel like developing a chatbot right from the scrap. So it takes a lot of time and hence it is not encouraged. Don't go that. There are third-party solutions. There are some third-party tools. By making use of the third-party tools, you can develop the chatbots comfortably. There is a cost calculator. With the help of cost calculator, you can assess or estimate the cost of developing the chatbot. Remember, dear students, if you are technically sound, you can develop chatbots on your own. There are some third-party websites. With the third-party websites, as I told you previously, that is the TDO, with which you can develop the softwares, the chatbots comfortably. You can develop the chatbots in minutes. You try with the TDO chatbot. If at all once you probe and inquiry into this and if you start working with that, you will come to know it takes very few minutes. You can develop the chatbot. The basic chatbot can be designed. In order to develop the chatbots on your own, there are some sites. Microsoft Bot Framework. This is a website through which you can develop the software on your own. Here there is a dialog flow, IBM Watson, your hang Panda robots. This is a Panda robo. So this is a Panda robo where you can develop a chatbot. This is a video chatbot. So you will get a girl answering the questions. You will be imposing the questions and the girl will be answering the questions. You are hang a mobile monkey. You will ask the question, it will be answering. This is called as a mobile monkey for the mobile apps we use. There is a bot press, there is a bot kit. There are the different softwares with which you can develop the chatbots on your own. Please try with these sites. Here you hang a popular chatbot websites. For example, there are some websites which are making use of the chatbots. For example, I am going with Rose now. Rose chatbot. For example, I am clicking the Rose chatbot. You observe here, I am clicking the Rose chatbot. Here, you got a text, user. I am giving the username. I am giving my name as Prem. Message. I am saying hello. When I press enter key, it is saying hello. And the Rose is saying, do you often go to movies? It is asking, do you often go to movies? It is asking me. You observe here, I just typed my name is Prem and I said hello. It is saying, it is asking you, do you often go to movies? I am saying yes. What movies have you seen recently? It is asking a question. What movies have you seen recently? It is asking a question. I am giving a answering the eligible bachelor, most eligible. I am giving most eligible bachelor. I am saying MEB, most eligible bachelor. Did you like it? It is asking a question. Did you like it? I am saying yes. I saw the movie New You See Me last week. I am saying oh. See here, I am talking to the Rosie. This is a Rosie chatbot. I am just talking to the Rosie chatbot. Let us try with some other. This is a replica, a chatbot, a replica. This is a video chatbot. So you will get a girl and whenever you are asking the questions, the girl will be answering. Of course, I need to install this. I need to install in my mobile. And when you press here, you will get this girl. You ask the questions, she will be answering your. It is replica. I go with the another chatbot. You observe here, this is a video chatbot. She will be answering your questions. I am going here. She gives the voice. You observe here, I am saying hello.
Hi.
When I said hello, she is saying hi. I am using how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you? She is saying. I'm good. How are you? She is talking to me. I am saying I am fine.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, that's good to hear. She is answering me. This is a chatbot. So it just appears as though that is a human being and she'll be answering. So these are all the chatbots. You are having text-based chatbots, voice-based chatbots, and video-based chatbots. Different types of chatbots are there. And if at all you are interested to create the chatbots of such chatbots, you require artificial intelligence, machine learning, NLP knowledge. Python is very, very important. Python is very, very important. Unless and until you know Python, you can't go with the ML, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and NLP, natural language processing. Multi-language background with experience in Java, PHP, Python is very important. You need to learn Java programming, PHP programming, Python programming is very, very important. Of course, Ruby on Rails. This is very, very important. And if you observe the chatbots and general apps, the performance of chatbots are very high. This light green color is chatbots and the blue color is apps. Answering the questions, simple questions, is done better by chatbots. Getting 24 hours is better done by chatbots. Convenience for using is app is more convenient. Of course, the chatbot is also better. Quick answers for the complex questions is done better by chatbots. And if you study all these questions analysis, you will come to a conclusion that the chatbots are doing better when compared with the mobile apps. You observe this. Predicted use cases of the chatbots. Getting quick answers in emergency. I want quick answers in emergency without human intervention. The human, he may lift the phone, he may not lift the phone. I may not get answer. So getting quick answers in emergency is very good with chatbots. Resolving the complaint or a problem is good with the chatbots. Getting detailed answers and the explanation, you can get it from the chatbots. So here there are the many questions for which the answers you can get immediately, spontaneously with the help of chatbots. Dear students, in this class we discussed about the outlines of the chatbots, the importance of chatbots, and what is chatbot. That is what we discussed in this class. I expect that you will probe a detailed, thorough inquiry about the technical stuff of the chatbots, and you people should be in a position to design your own chatbots, which will be helpful for the society and many organizations. With this, I conclude. Dear students, bye bye. Thank you.